Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth cutting on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone, just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again, click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, scroll down and click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings and click on reset if you want to fix this problem. So enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth cutting on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.